Hello guys, welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we'll be unboxing the BTS in the Soup Season 2 early bird gift. So from what I had understood back then, it's supposed to be a package of 2 sets of photo cards for there was this time period which was called the early bird time period. So if you pre-order the content, like the In the Soup content itself, and then pay for the shipping for this photo card pack, then you get 2 packs of photo card. Does that make any sense? What am I saying? I just woke up, so yeah, my brain is not functioning that well. Yes, there is 2 packs of photo cards. So this one is like the regular one, and I see the clear ones behind. Oops. 뭐야? 이게 뭐지? Let's start with the clear ones. The clear photo cards are really pretty, but they are so easily damageable, so I'm not a big fan of them, to be honest, because it hurts when I see my photo cards are getting scratches and stuff. See, it already has a little bit of damage.
Ooh, June looking nice. I love this look on Sokjin. He looks so good. Can I keep it in my pocket? Wow. Looks so good. Mimi with this ponytail, please. My heart. Adorable. Look at that facial expression. Is JK the coolest guy to exist?
What? Oh, is this a pre-order benefit or something? Oh my god, this is like a I don't know what material you can say, like a card material, like a transportation card, or like a bank card, if that makes any sense. This is so pretty. Oops, I seriously didn't know that this was included. This is the bag. Oh my god, this is adorable. And here's the other pack of photo cards.
Wow. He looks so... Oh, wow. Look at him. You look adorable. Good guy, V. Cool guy, JK. So yeah, this was my unboxing for the early bird gift. BTS in the Soup early bird gift. I mean, yeah. Thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye.